Hello everyone, my name is Mehdi and welcome to second episode of materials tutorial. In this video I'm gonna create a fairy material for this rock. I think it looks more three-dimensional and real here. So let's get started. To do this job, select the rock surface and in the material library go to various tab and then choose the fair category. You can use any of these materials, depends on your project. Here I prefer this one because it looks simple and minimal. Now change the color to match it with other furniture in the scene. Another thing I'm gonna do is reducing bending force. This makes the fibers not bend too much and stand straight. We can adjust fiber size with fair lengths. Also with velvet scale, you can adjust the reflection of this material.